Welcome to another episode of Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. When people talk about agents today, the focus is often narrow. Can they plan? Can they reason? Can they call a tool or API? But I believe the real story is much bigger. It is not about a single agent solving a task. It is about what happens when agents start working together, when they transact, collaborate, and negotiate. This is the beginning of the agent economy. Think about how the digital economy evolved. APIs allowed systems to talk to each other, creating marketplaces, platforms, and ecosystems that reshaped industries. Agents will take this to the next level. Instead of humans stitching together workflows, agents will transact directly, exchanging information, executing actions, and making decisions at machine speed. Imagine this in finance. An investment agent scans opportunities across markets, negotiates with data providers, and executes trades not because you typed a prompt, but because it has been given objectives, guardrails, and permissions. Or in supply chains, a logistics agent secures transport slots, balances carbon footprint with delivery times, and pays suppliers automatically. What once required layers of human coordination becomes an autonomous network of digital actors. The early signs are already here. Google recently introduced the Agents to Payments Protocol, or AP2. It allows agents to make verified transactions through existing payment rails in a trusted and secure way. In simple terms, it means an agent can not only plan and recommend a purchase, but also execute the payment without human intervention, with transparency and traceability built in. It is the missing link between reasoning and action, turning agents from advisors into real participants in the economy. Of course, this is just the beginning. For an agent economy to function at scale, standards and trust frameworks will be critical. Who authorizes agents to act? How do we ensure they stay within boundaries? What happens when one agent negotiates with another on your behalf? These are not just technical questions, they are legal, ethical, and economic ones. But the momentum is clear. As agents gain autonomy, they will not just operate inside organizations, they will operate across organizations, they will transact with each other, exchange services, and optimize outcomes in ways that blur the lines between automation and collaboration. I see this shift following a familiar pattern. At first, it will look experimental, small transactions, controlled use cases. Then it will scale because once agents can participate directly in economic activity, efficiency gains become irresistible. That is when we will see an explosion of agent marketplaces, agent to agent contracts, and even entire value chains coordinated by digital actors. This is why the agent economy matters. It is not just a technical revolution, it is a structural one. It will redefine how businesses compete, how services are delivered, and how trust is managed in a world where intelligence is distributed across millions of autonomous systems. The rise of the agent economy is not a question of if, but when. And those who prepare now by designing agents that are efficient, transparent, and trustworthy will be ready to lead when the surge arrives. Thank you for listening. Until next time, remember, the future of artificial intelligence is not just about building agents, it is about building an economy where those agents can safely and responsibly act.